2023 Ram 2500. With less than 43,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include side view mirrors with turn signals,
Wi-Fi hotspot,
satellite radio, navigation,
premium sound system,
multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.